In 2009, Thompson & Knight completed the migration of all domestic locations to Cisco IP telephony. We also have several international locations using IP phones now, including Algiers, Monterey, and Sao Paulo. But the telephone handset at your desk is just one piece of Cisco's unified communications platform. Today I want to demonstrate two additional components that can enhance productivity and mobility. And those tools are Cisco's IP Communicator and Cisco Click-to-Call. But before we launch into the demo, I want to take a quick step back. During telephone training, we showed you that you could manage your telephone settings from a web page. Now this page is accessible using the TK tray icon. Just right-click and follow the link that says Cisco Call Manager, and the Cisco User Options page will open in your browser. Let's go ahead and log in, and then we'll pull up the settings for this device. Now from here, you can manage things like speed dials, you can forward or unforward calls to voicemail, or you can manage phone services. The primary service used on attorney phones today is something called Extension Mobility. Extension Mobility allows you to log into your phone or another phone with a username and PIN. Now that other phone might be something as simple as an office down the hall from you, but it could just as easily be at another Thompson & Knight office. Most of you have probably been logged into your phone since the day you first started using it. Now just as easily as you can log into a physical phone, you could also log into a software-based phone running on your computer. And that's where Cisco's IP Communicator comes in. So let me go ahead and pull that interface up for you. Now for this demo, this phone is running a temporary extension out of the Dallas office. But in reality, with Extension Mobility, when you launch this, you would log into it, and your phone line and all of the speed dials and other button appearances that you're used to seeing would show up on screen just like they do on your desk phone. So from this interface, it emulates your desk phone. You can place and receive calls, you can check voicemail, you can look up against the corporate directory, and it's all from the exact same phone line you use to conduct business every day. The software does require an additional device license, and you must be connected to Thompson & Knight's network over VPN. So let's take a look. I'm going to place a test call to my own extension, and to go ahead and speed things up, I'm going to send the call directly to voicemail by putting a star in front of the number before I dial it. So we will initiate a new call. We'll dial star and the extension.
Hi, this is John Barney with Thompson & Knight Information Technology. You've reached my voicemail at One Arts Plaza.
So calling is just that easy, and all the other functions you're used to are here as well. Let's go ahead and look somebody up in the corporate directory. So we'll click on corporate directory, we'll go to last name, and let's look up our CIO, Kathy Means. And we'll click on search, and there she is. We could call her from here. So that gives you some understanding of what this allows you to do. You could be out of the office working from home at another site, and as long as you can VPN back into our network over a reasonable connection, you can have your phone and the mobility. Nobody knows where you're calling from. It appears that you're sitting at your desk. So pretty exciting. But what else can this system do? Well, how about dialing a contact directly from Microsoft Outlook? So Cisco's released a free piece of software called Click-to-Call that provides just that functionality. In this demonstration, again, I'm using the Cisco IP Communicator, but this could work just as easily on the physical phone in your office. So let's go ahead and bring up Microsoft Outlook. This is Outlook 2007, and I've only created one contact here so far, but and this is an internal extension to call the help desk. But this could just as easily be an external contact, a client, and it would work the exact same way. So your phone will go off hook and initiate the call. So let's go ahead and try that. We'll right-click, go down to the last option on the menu, Additional Actions, and we're going to call this number.
You have reached the Thompson & Knight Help Desk. Please hold while your call is transferred to an agent.
So you see I switched over to my phone, and as soon as I did, it went off hook all on its own, dialed the extension, and I get a pop-up over here in the lower right corner that's now fading out that shows you that we're placing a call. Thanks for stopping by. We hope you enjoyed the demonstration, and feel free to contact anyone in information technology if you have additional questions, and we'll get you directed to the right person. Thank you.